You're gonna need beef for shredding, carne de res para deshebrada. You're gonna need 2 garlic cloves, half an onion. That's just to prepare your meat, as you can see right there. Then to make your empanadas, you're gonna need the masa. You're gonna need salt. And then your ingredients to eat it with, you're gonna need the lettuce, cheese. That's one that I like. And then onion, sour cream, and salsa. And a lime. Then you're gonna need this to make your empanadas with. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna cook your meat. I'm using about 2 pounds, 2.3. Cook it with half an onion and about 2 garlic cloves. There's 1 piece. Then here's the other one. Make sure you cook it like a day before or hours before, because it takes a long time to cook. So we're gonna check now if it's ready. And you know when it's ready when it comes apart by itself. See, like just like that. So like I said, cook your meat a day before or overnight in low heat, or cook it in the morning. I cooked mine since 10 a.m. It is now like 4. Like I said, cook it with half an onion, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, and cook it on medium to high heat if you're watching it. Next thing you're gonna do is prep your onion. So you're gonna cut it in half. Get all this off. In thin slices like that. You're gonna marinate it in lime and salt. This is gonna be a topping you use when you prepare your empanadas. You're gonna place it in a container. Crying. Look at that. That's what it's gonna look like. And then you're gonna slice your lime. Then add some salt.
This is salt. This is salt.
About a pinch, I guess you can say. And you have to wait till it gets like, I guess a little soggy, I guess you can say, or you could eat it just like that. I place it in the fridge with its cap. Meanwhile, I prep everything else so it could be ready by the time we eat. So next we're gonna cut up the lettuce. Just gonna cut it up. sorry, I'm a lefty. You can barely even see. Let's put you on the other side. So yeah, just slice it. Pretty thin, not too thick. Your preference. Just like that. Then just rinse it. If you're gonna eat right away, I don't recommend you do this step, but if you're not, then just place it in a container with cold water so it could keep its color and not turn brown. So now we're gonna just place it in a container. So make sure it's looking like that. And later on when it's all shredded, you're gonna put the water that you cooked it with, or the juice that you cooked it with, in here so it won't dry up. So now that everything is shredded, you're gonna use the water that you boiled it with. You're gonna use the water that you boiled it with and place it in the container too, so your meat won't dry up. See, like that. So next thing you're gonna do is prepare the masa. This is the one that I use. I already buy it made. So it's masa para tortillas, dough for tortillas. So we're gonna pour that in here. I'm just gonna do half first, see how many empanadas that makes. Then you're gonna add a pinch of salt. And a little bit of warm water. Warm water. Not hot, not cold, but warm. So as you can see, about that much right there. Not much. And mix that up. And this bag comes 3.35 pounds. And I just used half the bag. This, how much it is. So let's see how many empanadas that makes. So next we're gonna prepare a pan. Turn it on about medium heat. And then just pour some oil. So now we're gonna make the empanadas. I use a Ziploc bag and I just cut the sides. Open it up and place it on here. What you're gonna do is grab a little ball like that. Make it into a little ball. Place it on here. Close this up. And just like that. So get your meat. Place it inside. And just close it up. And just like that. And then just place it in your oil. Wait till it gets like a little golden brown and then flip it. I would put more, but I'm just doing one as an example for you guys.
Obviously lettuce.
You can make the ball as big as you want, depending how big you want your empanadas. Let me show you. The ones we're making right now are small, so you can make a bigger ball. Here comes the bigger empanada. So here's the first one that we put in. That one's already done.
Mommy, you caught my taco? Mommy, give me taco.
And there you go. This is the color you're looking for. A golden brown, depending on your preference, how burnt you like them or how soft or how crispy. But just make sure you cook them through like this so the dough is not raw from the inside.